Zigzag stitching on swimwear. Follow me. Meet my Zigzag Juki sewing machine. Currently sewing swimwear right now. And I will do another video on how to use it, but I wanted to kind of just do an introduction. Please say hello, guys. This guy has been very good machine with me, and I haven't used it for so long, but today I had to kind of put it back to work. So look at the stitching, it looks awesome, love it. Here's how it works. I'm going a little bit slow because it's missing a spring up here, and it's not 100%. But I have to finish this this set that I'm working on, so I have to go like super slow. Other than that, it's good. It's just when you don't use the machines, they, for example, in my case, I might break things or stuff like that. So it was working well when I tried the last time, but when was the last time I tried it? We're talking about, I don't know, 2 years ago or maybe a year plus. So now that I wanted to use it, it was giving me some hard time. I spent some time just trying to see what was the issue, and then after trying to fix it for some time, I realized it was missing a spring. So this is how it looks like. See, I love the stitching. So this one is done. This one has not been done yet. That is because I need to add a label, and I need to insert the label before I do the stitching. But that's just I have to do that on the single needle. But this is how the swimwear looks like, and it looks great. So at the end, the machine got fixed. It's 100% working well, and the problem was the bobbin. I had a second thought about changing the bobbin, but I didn't do it until later. I tried it, and it works so good. So it was just a bad bobbin, and I tossed it away because I don't want to have issues with that bobbin again. In solution, it's still missing a spring, but it's working well. So I'm going to show you the final stitching quality. This is how it end up sewing. On the beginning, at the beginning of the video, it was not sewing well. The top was nice, but the bottom was a little bit fuzzy. What was happening is that the bottom was so tight, so it was pulling everything underneath. But now it looks awesome. This is how the zigzag works.